Okay, this is station number 2, and this is what the station should look like. And let's just pretend that this is on, which right now is off, but just make sure that it is on and that there is hot water in here. And then you have food coloring, red and blue. You have 3 pipettes, and just make sure that the pipettes are clean. And you have 3 styrofoam cups. The only safety concern that you have for this lab is that you need to make sure that you use something to grab the hot water, and make sure you use both hands, so there's 2 of those. Alright, so to start the lab, and this is a totally teamwork lab, you start the lab by filling 2 of the styrofoam cups with ice, and the ice is going to be right here. So you fill those 2 with ice, and after they're filled, you add some rock salt. You just add some salt to each cup. You don't have to add a lot. And then you add just a little bit of water. Again, it doesn't have to be a lot. Once you have those 2 filled, you just put it next to the setup. Don't put it near, just kind of close, but not too close. Then you're gonna take the 3rd cup and you're gonna fill with warm water. Okay, so you're gonna take the water and then you're gonna pour in here, and you're gonna put right here. So this is what you should have. Okay, so now come the food coloring. So you have 3 pipettes. Okay, your pipettes are here. You're gonna fill 2 pipettes with blue dye and 1 pipette with red dye. And the amount that you're gonna fill, you're gonna try to fill all the same amount. So just about, let's see, just about here. Okay. So make sure they're filled and make sure they're not dripping, and you have some paper towel so you can wipe the sides to make sure they're not dripping. So once you have talked to your groups and make sure that you're all on the same page, you're gonna take all the 3 pipettes full of dye, and this needs to happen all at the same time. The 3 of you are gonna stick your pipettes, and where you're gonna stick your pipettes is the setup here. So 2 blue pipettes are gonna go right here, and 1 red pipette is gonna go right in the middle. So say I have the red pipette, I'm gonna stick it right in the middle, and then to release the dye, I'm gonna squeeze it. Okay, and that should release the dye. Once you release the dye, all of the 3 of you release the dye quickly. You're gonna place the cups under it. Okay, and the 4th person, the 4th person should be observing what's happening. Okay, so the observation is going to be right here. You're going to observe what is going to be happening here. Okay, and you're welcome to take your cell phone and record your observations. And then in terms of lab, that's pretty much it. There's some questions for you to answer in the back. The cleanup here is super important. You need to make sure that you empty all the styrofoam cups and you leave it nice and clean. You need to make sure also that you have enough water for the next class, and you need to empty this out and refill it with fresh water. And that's about it.